Winch straps are an essential tool for flatbed truckers. They wrap around cargo and create tension to keep it in place. However, inadvertently, this tension can damage your cargo. Certain types of cargo can even pose a threat to the winch strap itself. Mytee Products offers an edge guard that will protect your winch straps and the cargo. It creates a contact point between the strap and the cargo, and its large surface area helps relieve some of the tension, decreasing damage to the cargo. Not only are edge guards a sensible purchase to make, sometimes they are even legally required. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration requires edge guards to be used when transporting dressed lumber, metal coils, heavy equipment, vehicles, or machinery that is considered a significant risk to your strap binder. Mytee Products edge guards, also known as V-boards, are very inexpensive and come in a variety of different sizes for different types of cargo. We offer 4, 12, 24, and 48-inch edge guards. The bigger the item you're winch strapping, the bigger the edge guard you should use. You'll need multiple edge guards, one on each side of the cargo. A good rule of thumb is that you'll need double the amount of edge guards as winch straps you're using. Luckily, Mytee Products sells edge guard bundles, which contain several guards and lowers the price per unit. A great accessory for the edge guard is the V-shaped extension handle. This 8-foot handle allows you to place edge guards on top of your cargo while standing on the ground. This will save you time and energy, as you won't need to continually climb on the truck. Here's how to use an edge guard. Throw your winch strap over your load and attach your flat hook securely to the rub rail or pocket. Pull the other side of the winch strap through your rub rail and insert into the winch. Start winding up your winch strap onto your winch until it is close to being tight. Place your corner protector or V-board onto the VB handle and place it into the corner of your load under the strap. Now, finish tightening your winch strap. As you can see, the edge guard acts as a barrier between the winch strap and the cargo. Head over to our website or give us a call to purchase your edge guards.